Welcome to the final night of Actif Sports Awards for 2020. My name is Lloyd, GB Triathlete from Llanelli. I'm really pleased to be back tonight to be part of the awards and celebrate the success of the county's sports stars. As a GB athlete, I have been fortunate to travel and compete across the world in destinations such as Cape Town, Australia and Canada. This has been a fantastic experience and one of the biggest highlights of my career so far is competing for Wales at the Commonwealth Games. I aspire to compete in Ironman Wales in the near future and I am keen to continue coaching future triathletes in and around Carmarthenshire. Tonight we honour the previous winners from the Disabled Sportsperson and Sports Personality categories. Let's find out who the winners of these categories have been awarded to over the years.
In 2013, Michael, a member of the Carmarthenshire Special Olympics Athletic Group, represented Wales at the UK National Athletics Championships, where he received a silver and a personal best in the long jump and a silver in the 4x100 relay. Since winning the award, Michael has continued to excel in his sporting achievements and in 2019 learned to ski. In February 2020, Michael won 2 medals in the novice section for the slalom and giant slalom at the UK National Winter Games. In 2020, Michael was selected to run for the London Marathon's main charity Ment Cup, and even though the marathon became a virtual race, Michael completed the distance, and in doing so he became the first person from Wales with Down syndrome to complete the marathon distance. He hopes to take part in the marathon again for real around London this year.
2013 was a very successful year for paracyclist Nia Knight. Nia competed in several events throughout the year with her tandem partner Katie Curtis. The duo competed in the paracycling event at the Abergavenny Festival of Cycling in July 2013 and came second place. This was even more impressive as it was only their first competitive ride together. Nia with her partner also competed in the UCI World Cup that was held in Canada, where they finished 11th overall.
In 2014 was Charles' first full year of competing, where he proved to be a valuable member of the Carmarthenshire Special Olympics team. He came first in the men's 200 metres at the Special Olympic UK National Athletics Indoor Championships, achieving a personal best. Charles also secured second place in the 200 metres at the SO Ireland Athletics Invitation and first in the 200 metre B race at the SO Wales Athletics Championships.
In 2014, Llynnos competed for the Special Olympics both at regional level and twice for Wales. This was one of Llynnos' most successful years competing, after coming first in the shot put at the Special Olympics Athletic Invitation, securing second place in the shot put at the Special Olympics UK National Athletics Indoor Championships, and winning gold at the Special Olympics Welsh Athletics Championships.
Liam, who suffers from high-functioning autism Asperger's syndrome, had been riding quads since he was 3 years old and achieved so much during 2015. Some of his successes include winning the grass track at both spring and summer championships. Liam also came fourth in the South Wales League Autograss Championships and was due to compete in the British Autograss Championships in 2016. Liam is an inspirational autistic quad biker, determined not to let life's challenges get in his way.
2015 saw Ffwrnes' confidence grow as she changed her training programme and was able to compete at the longer distances. Ffwrnes won gold in both the Special Olympics National Athletics Championships and the Special Olympics European Athletic Championships. Ffwrnes also secured a bronze medal for the standing long jump in the Special Olympics UK National Indoor Athletics Championships in London.
Oliver won the award in both 2016 and 2017 due to his impressive success in the sport at national and international level. In 2016, Oliver represented Wales at under-19s and under-23s and Team GB at under-19s on numerous occasions. He was also selected to be one of the key players in a Division 1 team for the Cardiff Met Archers wheelchair basketball team. Since winning the award, Oliver continues to represent Great Britain. In 2018, he was part of the under-22s wheelchair basketball team.
Tyler won the Disabled Sportsperson of the Year award in 2016 and in 2017. Tyler started skiing when she was a pupil at Hale Goffa and entered several competitions on dry ski slopes, winning a variety of medals. Tyler competed at the National Alpine Skiing Competition in France and won 2 gold medals. Since winning the awards, Tyler was selected to represent GB in the World Winter Games in Austria 2017 and won 2 gold medals in the giant slalom and the slalom events. She has also taken up athletics, netball and played walking rugby with the Scarlet's disability team.
Luke won the award in 2018 and 2019, having successfully competed in several competitions, nationally and internationally. In 2018, Luke won the British Paracycling Closed Road Circuit race for his category and came second in the British National Paracycling Time Trial Championships at the Prudential Ride London Grand Prix. In 2019, Luke was a British champion in hand cycling H3 class. Luke was also the British Time Trial Champion, British Road Race Champion, British Series Champion and came 9th position at the World Cup in Belgium, where there were 60 of the best athletes from all over the world. Luke still holds these titles and in March 2020 he was selected to be part of the British Paracycling team.
Jonathan Davies has won the award of Sports Personality on 2 occasions, the first in 2013 and then again in 2017. The international rugby star was a key member of the Scarlet's Pro 12 Championship winning team in the 2016-17 season. Jonathan also proved himself to be a world-class player by playing all 3 test matches for the British and Irish Lions against New Zealand and being named Player of the Series, the highest accolade any player could have received on the tour. Since winning both awards, Jonathan continues to play centre for Scarlets, has played 85 internationals for Wales and earned 6 test caps for the British and Irish Lions.
During the 2013-14 season, despite an injury setback, Nicara worked hard to win a place in the Welsh Commonwealth Rhythmic Gymnastics squad, where she helped the team win silver in the team event. In addition to this, the 17-year-old competed in the British Apparatus Championships, where she had 2 second places and 2 first places. Unfortunately, due to a persistent injury, Nicara was forced to retire from competing, however continues with the sport by coaching at the local club, Llanelli Rhythmic Gymnastics.
In the 2014-15 season, Nigel held the world record for the most test matches refereed and was one of 5 professional referees at the Welsh Rugby Union. In 2015, Nigel won the World Rugby Referee Award at the Rugby World Cup final between New Zealand and Australia held at Twickenham. Nigel Owens called time on his international refereeing career in December 2020 after 17 years of refereeing 100 international rugby matches.
Manon has achieved outstanding results at European and world level cycling and has firmly put Carmarthenshire on the women's cycling map. In June 2016, Manon entered the Women's Tour of Britain as part of the Great Britain team. She was the only Welsh rider in the event and the youngest rider to finish. July 2016 saw Manon compete in the Under-23 European Track Cycling Championships in Italy, again taking home a gold medal as part of the team pursuit squad. In October, Manon was riding in the Women's Elite European Track Cycling Championships in Paris, and as part of the team pursuit squad, she took home a bronze medal. November 2016 saw Manon represent Great Britain at the World Cup in Glasgow, competing against teams from around the world. She won gold as part of the team pursuit and gold in the Madison.
Dewi is a long-distance runner who represented both Wales and British athletics at numerous events. After his impressive debut in Frankfurt in October 2017, Dewi became the fastest British marathon runner ever, with a time of 2 hours and 10 minutes. After an injury knockback, a remarkable comeback was made, with Dewi taking a win in the Barry Island 10K and finished in the top 10 in the Cardiff Half Marathon. Dewi's success in athletics has inspired many young athletes in Carmarthenshire to take up the sport.
In 2018-19, Tennessee was ranked number 1 in Europe and number 2 in the world and continues to dominate the 56 kg category in full contact, where she is currently unbeaten. Tennessee won the Irish Open Championship for the second year running in full contact category, where there were over 3,700 competitors. Tennessee won the EU-SA Combat Championships, making history for Great Britain by being the first fighter to win this tournament, and the only gold medalist from Great Britain. Since winning the award, she became the second woman from Great Britain to be named as World Champion Kickboxer. During COVID, Tennessee has been training at home and continues to be a role model and inspires others to take part in sport.
It never ceases to amaze me the wealth of talent that we have here in Carmarthenshire, from grassroots to national coaches, world champions and everyone in between. And this week has reaffirmed the important role that our sports clubs play, not only in providing participation opportunities to them and thousands of our residents, but also in providing a platform for individuals and teams to excel. And it makes me proud to say that I am from Carmarthenshire. I hope that this week has also inspired some of you to be a part of a sports club, as a volunteer, as a participant, a member of a committee perhaps. With a breadth of sports clubs out there, I'm certain there is something for each and every one of you. And there is no doubt that by doing so, you'll be playing a part in the next generation of Carmarthenshire sports stars. As the country embarks on its roadmap to return to some sort of normality, I look forward to the opening up of the sport and physical activity sector once again, to allow for more achievements like the ones we've seen this week to take place, so that we can celebrate sports awards once more. We have much to look forward to in 2021, including a huge initiative aimed at people aged 60 plus, investment in a range of activities via the Welsh Government's rescue package funding, including e-bike cycling groups, more active story time opportunities in partnership with our libraries, and a range of community activities. The development of cycling infrastructure, including installing e-bike charging points and shelters in most of our sites and cycle parking at all of our sites. Further development of Active Anywhere. New and enhanced facilities at Llanelli, where almost £500,000 has been invested in new health, fitness, community activity events, turning Llanelli swimming pool into Llanelli Leisure Centre. Newcastle Emlyn Leisure Centre that has benefited from an investment of £100,000 to refurbish the fitness facilities, including new spin bikes, an enhanced spin bike experience at Cllr's Leisure Centre, and a £500,000 refurb of Amman Valley Leisure Centre, including the changing facilities. As you can see, lockdown has not meant standstill for Active, and 2021 looks very promising. All that remains is for me to thank everyone involved in making this week happen, and thank you, of course, to our Sports Awards winners. Good night.